How to sign in Netflix sign in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can sign into Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, signing into Netflix is actually quite a very simple thing to do. All you have to do is download the Netflix app, open it up and just sign in. It's as simple as that. So to sign in, I will show you a couple of steps. Now, first of all, if you have already saved your account details on your Google account or something, it will show you a pop-up which you can use to simply choose one of the saved passwords. Or if you haven't yet created an account, you can tap and get started. But to log in, if you look at the very top right hand side, there you'll find the login button. So it's hidden at the very top, so you want to make sure to just tap the login button there. Then all you have to do is just simply make sure to enter the email address associated with your Netflix account over here. Then once you have done that, you can simply go ahead and then also make sure to enter your password, then tap the sign in button. Then you will get successfully logged in if your account details are correct. If it's incorrect and you want to reset your password, you can tap on forgot password option to go ahead and then reset it, or you can also choose to create a new account. And that's all it takes to sign into Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.